it's Roland of Rolweng YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to put ads on your YouTube channel. So uh, is- there are certain requirements that we need to validate first before going to this YouTube tutorial on how to put ads on your YouTube channel. Be sure that you have been already monetized in your as a YouTube partner program. So which means that your channel is already earning monetization. So that's only the requirement. So uh, basically there is a default ads that has been placed by the YouTube. So if you want to do some customized putting of your ads, then I will teach you on how to put these ads on all your videos. So but yeah, be sure that you have been already monetized. Okay, so now let's begin the tutorial on how to put ads on your YouTube channel. But before I begin this tutorial, so if you are still new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated for the upcoming videos. Okay, okay, so let's start. So first thing is what we need to do is go to your YouTube channel. So I will going to use I'll be going to use the Google Chrome to open my YouTube channel. So you can use Microsoft Edge. You can also use like Firefox, or you can also use the Internet Explorer. But in my case, I'm going to use the Google Chrome. So first thing is to log into your YouTube channel. So just type youtube.com, enter, and this will basically open your YouTube channel. So in this area, so click this picture that you have. So which means that if you have this picture, you already log into your YouTube channel. So one way to see if you are already logged into your YouTube channel, so once you log in your Google account or your Google email, then it will synchronize to your YouTube channel. So in my case, my Google account or my Google email has been already open, so that's why it will not ask me anymore to log into my YouTube channel since I'm already open my Google account. So okay, so once we open our YouTube channel, just click this picture, the picture that you have, and then go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so once you click your picture and then go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so once you click your account and click the YouTube Studio, it will show the default screen, which is your dashboard. So next that we're going to do is go to videos, click videos, and then it will list all those video that you have been created or published in your YouTube channel. So in my case, these are the videos that are already published in my YouTube channel. Okay, so now you are now in your video. So let's say I want to put ads on my one of my videos. So okay, so I'm going to click this. Let's say I'm going to put ads in this video. So there are two ways. So you can click this edit button or the pencil button. So once you click this pencil button, and then it will go to your specific video, and then the next is you're going to click this monetization. Okay, so it will go to this once you click the monetization, it will go to video monetization. So in this case, once your monetization is on, then you can put ads to your YouTube video. So basically, these are the ads that you can put in your videos. So overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. And then one thing more, uh, you can only edit the ads, or you can only put ads if your video is longer, is more than 10 minutes. Then you can put ads in your video. But if your video is less than 10 minutes, so you are not able to edit or customize your ads, or let's say the YouTube the YouTube will be the one to put ads in your video if it is less than 7 minutes. But if your video is more than 10 minutes, 10 minutes video, then you can customize, or you can edit, or you can put ads to your video. So let's say my video, in this video I have 11 minutes and 35 seconds. So basically, I can customize, or I can edit my ads. I can put ads on my video. So normally, if it is less than 10 minutes, the this during video mid-roll will be deactivated. Okay, I'll show you the example. Okay, so first I will go to your channel videos, and then I'm going to select video which is less than 10 minutes. So in this case, it's 7 minutes and 4 seconds. So once I click the edit button, and then I'll go to monetization. So all this button is grayed out. Grayed out, this means you cannot edit any videos which is less than 10 minutes. Or in my case, it says only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during video. Okay, so yeah, so always remember, it is always different cases from those other YouTube channel. So let's say if you have many videos, maybe the YouTube will grant you less than 8 minutes, or less, or if your video is more than 10 minutes, then you can edit your ads. So in my case, this is 11 minutes and 4 seconds, so I cannot edit, or I cannot customize, or I cannot add any ads to my video. But there is already actually ads in your video, but then this was this was already put by the YouTube. So always remember, video that is less than 10 minutes, the YouTube will be the one to put ads on your behalf. But those videos more than 10 minutes, then you can put ads to that video. Okay, so now we're going to put now ads on the video, for those videos that has more than 10 minutes. So in this case, okay, I will select this video, 11 minutes and 35 seconds. So first option, let's say there are two options that you can edit or you can put ads. So click this pencil icon. Okay, so once you click the pencil icon, go to the monetization. Okay, so once you click the monetization, be sure that your monetization is on. If this is off, then you can just turn it on by going to this button. Okay, since my monetization is already on, then we can now, okay, so since my video is more than 10 minutes, so I have now the option to edit this button, and I can add or I can edit the ads in my video. Okay, so now we'll go to manage med rules. So once you click the manage med rules, So it will show you this screen wherein you can put ads to your video. Okay, so in this case, the YouTube already put ads in my video. So this this sign, or this what do you call this one? This line, this block is actually the place where they put the ads. So I have one ads, two ads, and three ads. This is also the ads. So ad breaks. So if you want to add more videos, or if you want to add more ads, just place this cursor here, okay, and then just click add break, and then it will show you this sign that you already put one ads to this video. Okay, so you can always move that ads, like let's say I want to move this ads here, so I can move that ads. So I want to move this ads here, I can move also this ads. Or let's say I want to add more ads, so point the cursor just point the cursor here, and then click the ad break, so it will put ads again. So once you play the video, let's say you wanted to know if you already put the ads, so just click this play to check if you already. I'll just put it here. Okay, so let's say I'll just turn off the unmute the sound. Okay, so you normally see here that there is a ads. So once we play the video, so it will say that yeah. So it's now you can check that there's already ads put in this video. Okay, so this is the sign that there is ads. Okay, so yeah, that is the another way that you are going to put the ads. Okay, so we already put the ads, and then don't forget to click continue once you already put the ads. You can also, like I wanted to delete, I have too much ads in my videos, so you can also delete. So let's say just point your cursor here, say, and that is like 3 minutes and 57 seconds. So you can delete this ad. If you already have so many ads, you can click this trash bin or delete. So once you click this one, it will delete that ads. Okay, so once you want to add another ad, once you want to add ads, just point the cursor in the place that you want to put the ads, and then click ad break. Okay, so that's the way on how to put the ads in your YouTube channel. So make sure that you click this button continue, and then click save also, so that it will really save all your words, all the ads that you put in your YouTube video. Okay, so that is one way to put ads. Okay, so the other way is that, okay, we'll go to this is the first one, that this is the first option that we use in how to put the ads on your YouTube channel. Another way is to go directly to this monetization. You see this one, the dollar sign, just go to this monetization, just click it, so it will go to the same screen that we go before. Okay, so these are the same procedure. Once you're already here, just click this manage mid rolls. You can also take out this before video if you don't want to have ads in before your video will be played. So you can just take this out, and then just put this the manage the during mid roll video. So the same procedure just like what we did before. Just click this manage mid rolls, and then these are the ads that was already there in your video. So you can just if you don't want to put it there, just move it around, or if you want to delete some ads, just click this one, and then 3 and 54, let's say 4 minutes, and then just click this one, delete. Okay. Okay, so I will put back the ads. Okay, so that's the proper way on how to put ads on your YouTube videos. So, okay, we'll try to see if we have that ads. Okay, so we'll try to check. Okay, go to view on video. Okay, so this one is your first ads. You can see that I think we have ads on 3 minutes or 4 minutes. We'll see in 4 minutes. Okay, we'll try to check if we have. Okay, so I think that's end up our tutorial video on how to put your ads to your YouTube channel. Okay, okay, so that's it. That's tutorial for how to put ads on your YouTube video. So again, thank you very much for watching this video on how to put ads on your YouTube video. If you have any question on how to put ads on your YouTube channel, so just put some comments in the description, and I will get back to you and I will answer your question. Okay, again, this is Roland of Rolweng YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that I will notify you if there are some tutorial videos that I'm going to create. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. This is Roland of Rolweng YouTube channel.